Wer soll hier leben? Naja. Wenn die Madame der Meinung ist, dass hier noch was lebt, ich glaub's nicht. Wir müssten eigentlich... Na, von dort sind wir eigentlich gekommen, oder? Nee. Kurz einen Blick, mal auf die Karte schauen. Ja, wir müssen eigentlich darüber. Na gut, Dirndl. Dann beweg deinen Arsch. Okay, ich schätze mal, die Stellen, die hier ein klein wenig heller oder ja, heller hervorgehoben sind.
Oh, damn it!
What is it this time?
Take a guess, sir.
A sinkhole?
Uh-huh. Ay.
Jasma, da sie immer wieder statt. Ja. Na gut. Aber ist eigentlich eh interessant. 4,81% haben das bis jetzt erreicht.
Doctor?
Toll.
I found something after all.
From Gorski.
It's hard to tell. There are errors in the transmission header. I'm going to play it, so we'll find out.
Gorski to base. I repeat, this is Gorski. Base, come in.
No doubt, it's him. Now let's keep listening. But as soon as you report anything, Doctor, I'll stop the recording.
Bugger. No confirmation again. I report. I've made an amazing discovery. Geometric structures that a thicket of bushy, pointed rods and slats. Mostly iron, but not only. Molybdenum, carbon, tungsten. Altogether similar to a giant integrated circuit. A million swarm of tangled cables. Not a trace of electric current, polarity, not even residual magnetism. Maybe once upon a time, centuries ago, petawatts or exawatts of power flowed this way. To compare with something, it's probably a machine. Some kind of information collective structure. Maybe it was some kind of electronic brain. It makes me think of the Lyrans. A race of extinct sentient beings. Supposedly, they knew about light astrogation before we invented the wheel. They had to save themselves from the explosion of Nova. They sent ships. The remains of those ships have been found, ashed to a chip glued together. I've seen hypothetical schematics. The structures here remind me of those. Okay, moving on. Readings.
Well, that's it. What follows is just a humming noise. Any thoughts, Doctor?
So far, it all leads to one conclusion. This is not a place for a man. Nor for any humanoids.
Then who is it for?
Maybe it's really an alien technology. Those Lyrans.
As far as I know, all information about the Lyran civilization is just guesswork. Many consider Lyrans to be just a myth, so I wouldn't take it too seriously.
Well, I think there might be something to it. I found some abandoned items.
What items? What do you have there, Yasna?
Ich gehe mal nach meinem Gefühl.
Something he shouldn't have left behind. A telemeter and food rations.
Agreed, he shouldn't. It's illogical.
At least his device is in working order. I can see the relay up close. Looks broken. Me neither.
So, wo müssen wir jetzt weiter? Ah, das sind unsere Fußspuren. Kommst du hier runter? Nee. Was ist denn das da? Nichts, was man irgendwie angreifen könnte. Naja. Ja, da müssten wir eigentlich hier entlang. Footsteps. Schauen wir mal.
There are more traces, this time handprints, and a drop detector.
What? Did I hear you right?
Yes, sir. You heard me right. As if he fell and then crawled on all fours.
Bloodstains?
No, luckily nothing like that.
Ganz ehrlich gesagt, ich glaube, ich suche mir das Buch. Das mag sich jetzt ein bisschen bescheuert anhören. Kein Durchgang. Und zwar, jetzt haben wir kurz Zeit zu reden. Es gibt ein PS4-Spiel, das zeige ich euch nochmal. Das habe ich damals nicht ganz durchgespielt. Ich glaube, die letzten 20-25 Minuten fehlen mir. Da landest du auf einem Eisplaneten, sage ich mal. Und entdeckst auch so Metallstrukturen wie hier. Mehr verrate ich aber noch nicht. Vielleicht kennt ihr es, wenn ihr den Kanal schon länger verfolgt, ja.
No one of sound mind would decide to go down this way. And yet Gorski... I found something. Again.
I'm listening.
Hier ist noch mehr von dem Zeug.
More of the same stuff. Gorski's things. More traces. Fine. Actions devoid of logic.
Back in the camp, you reported Marritt's abandoned things.
A backpack and a journal, yes. This scene looks disturbingly similar. Ouch!
Oh, those sinkholes again.
Yes.
Hier entlang vielleicht? Das musst halt auch mal hinkriegen. In einem linearen Spiel sich verlaufen. Nee, hier ist nix. Okay. Da entlang. Kommen wir hier durch? Nee, gell?
Finally! I have his position.
A visual?
Not yet. For crying out loud, Gorski. You must be here somewhere. Say something. I found his backpack. You know what that means, sir?
Yes, he's without oxygen. We must hurry.
Kannst du selber deinen Arsch hierher bewegen und selber hier rumlaufen. Best.
Oh, there he is. I got him. He's not moving.
Er ist tot.
Gorski! Gorski! Look at me! His eyes are closed.
Is he breathing?
He's alive, but barely.
Did he react in any way?
Er scheint bewusstlos zu sein.
No reaction. He seems unconscious. Gorski! Come on!
Hau ihm eine rein.
Calm down, Doctor. Get him out of there. The probe's already looking for a landing site.
Okay. Let me just... I'm pulling him out. Done. He's out. I activated his SOS. You should pick up a transmission with his parameters, sir. Well?
No, nothing. The transmitter in the suit must be too weak.
Should I retrieve his booster from the backpack?
No, no point. Better to set up a relay. We have to do it anyway so that Hopper can land in this maze. Have a preliminary scan of your surroundings. There's an open area nearby. You have to move Gorski there. The probe will guide you.
Okay, I'll carry him. It's just... his parameters don't look too good.
That's why we must hurry, Doctor.
Na gut. Spielen wir wieder Trageservice. Wir tun ja sonst nichts anderes im Leben. Das erinnert mich irgendwie an The Long Dark, Episode 3, wo du mit Astrid vom Flieger alle Verletzten in das Gemeindezentrum bringst. Also. Hol Dr. Gorski aus dem Krater. Hol Dr. Gorski aus dem Krater. Vor lauter Saufen hatte er nen Kater. Heute hat er einen Behicken. Seine Alte wollte nicht mit ihm ficken. Kenny? Hier ist der Doktor. Hier ist der Doktor abgestürzt. Achso, hier war das, genau. Dann probieren wir es hier. Das sieht so geil aus irgendwie.
Are you out in the open already?
Sort of. Yes.
Once you set up the transmitter, I should start receiving Gorski's signal. it is. Pulse, heart rate, saturation, almost within the range. What was that?
I don't know. Everything is shaking.
Jasper,
No! No!
please hold on. I'm off the right side.
I caught the probe. I'm... Fuck! I'm flying. What? What was that? Astrogator, I'm underground. It's hard to determine my exact location. Novik, do you copy? Base, come in. I'm sending an SOS. Anyone, please. Okay. Stay calm. Just keep it together.
Wusa. Na komm, sterb. Irgendwie mag ich diese Stimme. Erinnert ein bisschen so an die verrauchte Originalstimme aus Fallout 4 vom weiblichen Charakter. Ich weiß nicht, wie die Dame heißt. Aber wenn man sich die englische Original-Synchro anhört, das klingt auch so verraucht.
Deposit of water. Probably unsafe for consumption. I'd rather not risk it.
Ich kann's ja probieren, Mädchen.
Meteoric waters. Nah, too deep. Slippery terrain. Poor visibility. Considering all factors, situation hopeless. At least I got flares. Oh, come on. Gotta be kidding me.
Ja, die kannst du vergessen. Geh an die Oberfläche. Aber wie soll sie hier raufkommen? Oder gibt es ja einen anderen Weg? Das kann natürlich auch sein, ich weiß es nicht. Ja. Ja, aber hier sind wir ja gerade gekommen. Spiel, willst du mich verarschen? No. Probieren wir es hier mal. Scheißegal. Hier oben ist nichts, oder was?
Okay. Careful. No! Fucking great. I can't. I just. Can't. fucked. That's my considered opinion. Fucked.
Ja, schön für dich, Mädchen.
Novik? If the radio is still receiving,
Can you hear?
oh, there's hope. I can't be too far underground. I need to act fast.
Please, I repeat,
I hear you,
this is Novik here. I repeat,
but you don't. Apparently.
2:20 p.m. 5th day information.
Oh, bollocks. I think I preferred it the other way round. Okay. Okay, I'm coming to you, Astrogator.
Naja. Ist ja doch noch nicht am Ende.
Astrogator. Astrogator? Still nothing. I used to find all the reporting annoying. But the silence is even worse. Dark thoughts creep in. Dr. Gorski may already be dead. Something attacked me.
Hä?
It could have got to him too. I hope you're monitoring his vitals, Astrogator. And we'll come back for him. Unless I die here.
Du wirst schon nicht verrecken, Mädchen. Hier. Was tue ich da unten? Rein theoretisch müsste ich ja hier lang. Richtig.
I think it's this way.
Ja, wenn du dir so sicher bist, Mädchen. Schaut's! Auch hier war der Mann mit der weißen Farbe. Ach, ist das herrlich. Schauen wir nochmal auf die Karte. Ja, sind wir relativ richtig. Relativ.
I can't stop.
You can't.
Did you really say that? I think I'm starting to freak out.
Freak out and fucked up. Mhm.
I've had enough. Just enough. Okay, forward. Faster. We're racing against time, Yasna. We're fighting for our lives. Enough of this nonsense. I can't keep fighting.
Food, yes. Cooked.
With all due respect, Novik, but could you finally shut up?
Yes.
Thanks. You know, I did what I could, but it still wasn't enough. I have the right to finally give up.
Nö, du bewegst deinen Arsch, Mädchen. Wir haben noch eine Geschichte zu erzählen. Aha.
I will not give up. I'll just take a breather.
2 days, 48 hours.
Huh? What?
That's how long I can live before I have to fly away. I could also break all the rules. Moral and procedural. Leave Koval to set off for you. One life above the other. And most likely condemn us all. Nevertheless, I'm inclined to do so.
Of course you wouldn't let me die in peace.
Ja, sicher.
I can handle. I will not give up.
Sterben tut man sowieso. Schneller geht's mit Marlboro.
I did it. I did it, Astrogator. Too bad you can't hear me.
Ja, wir werden hier wieder eine kleine Pause machen. Ich hoffe, dort hat es ein bisschen an Spaß. Entschuldigung, dass es mal ein bisschen was anderes ist. Außer immer nur Fallout und The Long Dark. Und ja, also dann bis zum nächsten Mal und Baba!